That's in time for the video. We'll split into two parts. So, there are no dogs here today in the park. Even though there are usually thousands, I mean literally thousands of dogs in the park normally. I think so. I think it might be up to the trees and stuff. And post in the comments. Post in the comments below. What do you think is making all the dogs leave? And I think it's the trees. Because as previously proved on this channel, well, trees can be incredibly dangerous. So, yeah, ZTD, what are you doing? Anyway, so I think there were a lot of dogs on here, but they're all gone. Hence what the video's about. I mean, I was planning to do another thing in this video, but well, yeah, got caught up in this. Okay. No, ZTD, come back! Oh, he's come up. Oh yes, finally, a dog. Yes. Well, yeah. Finally, dog. Anyway, apart from posting the comments below what you thought made all the dogs leave, also post in the comments below how many dogs you think I saw before I started this video. The answer is no, I won't tell you. No spoilers. Actually, I say it. Okay? Yeah, that's it. Well, anyway, so I think maybe it's actually the babies, because babies are proved to be connected with being raised with dogs or something. I don't know, whatever. And well, they're connected to molesting dogs. What am I saying? I don't know. I mean, making dogs leave. And I think they're in partnership with the birds, wherever they are, and the trees, to get rid of the dogs. Also, the sun is shining brightly in every area but the dogs aren't. So that means it has to be something to do with the Illuminati. Has to be something to do with the Illuminati. Damn it, I'm holding this camera so I can't do the symbol. So, where am I going? Ow. Damn it, I revealed my shoes. Huh? I mean, hey, this is like 360. Cool, hang on, let's just check if there's another dog. Dog spotted. Here is another dog. Exactly there. No. There, where my focus is. No, yes. I've got my no! Yeah, where my focus is. Okay, over there. See it? Anyway, let's see if we can spot another dog. Oh look, yeah, 2 more dogs. Yes! We are beating the Illuminati. Okay, not really that, but yeah. Anyway, yes. But anyway, as said previously, put in the comments below what you think made all the dogs leave, and how many dogs you think I saw before I started this video. Anyway, oh look, another one. Oh, I keep getting distracted. Anyway, thanks for watching, and goodbye.